green and eggs and all that stuff. That's fun. Guess what? They hatched. Look at them. There they are. I counted 5. Oh, look at that hungry baby right there. Yep. Little hungry babies. All right, so we'll watch them grow. Hi guys, thank you all for tuning into my channel, Better with Netter. I really appreciate all of you and love you. So please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and push that notification bell so you can be the first to know when I have a new post. And please press the like button. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Love you guys. Bye.